Good morning everyone, and thanks for joining me on another one of my little fishing sessions. Today I'm launching the kayak from Flinders in search for some big squid, so let's get out there. How good is that sunrise? It's so good to come down here and there's not one single person. It's awesome. Usually this place is pretty packed, but seeing though it is Monday morning, I guess most people are at work, and the forecast was high winds today, so yeah, most people probably saw the forecast and thought, nah, it's too windy, not coming down. I just decided to take a punt, as usually the forecast is wrong. And today looks like it's going to work in my favour, and the water is absolutely crystal clear, which is the first time I've seen it this clear, like in the last probably 4 or 5 times I've been down here, so that's definitely a refreshing change. That is a really positive sign. So all things considered, I should be in for a really good chance at picking up a monster squid today. If some of you are wondering why I do a lot of squid fishing, there's a couple of reasons. First, I really enjoy squid fishing. I just think they're awesome creatures and they can put up a good fight, especially when you catch the big ones. And they obviously taste really good. They're a versatile seafood to cook, as in you can cook them in so many different ways. A bit like eggs, I guess. The other reason is we've just come out of winter here in Melbourne, and to catch fish in Melbourne is extremely difficult during winter. I've tried for King George whiting, I've tried for Bream, I've tried for pinkies, you name it, I've tried, just haven't had much success. So I decided to put those species on hold and then just focus on squid, because it is supposedly peak season still now. There's supposed to be some really big trophy squid around, and I'm still trying to land that mega 50 centimetre hood size squid. Be an absolute dream come true if I can grab that trophy one day. But summer's coming up very shortly, in another month or two, or a couple of months I should say, and then once summer hits us, I'll definitely be targeting some fish species, so you can be sure to see future videos where I'll be catching some really good sized snapper, King George whiting, Bream, and whatever else I might be able to get a hold of. But yeah, it's a very stark difference between winter fishing and summer fishing. I always look forward to the snapper season. I'm keen to start making some footage of catching some different species to share. So definitely stay tuned and check back on the channel every now and then, as I'm confident that my videos will improve along with the footage. I do have some other tools. Well, I will have some other tools at my disposal very shortly, which will enhance the footage that you guys will be able to see. So if you do enjoy the videos, perhaps go back and have a look at some of my old ones if you haven't seen them, if you're interested. I am fairly new to YouTube, and I am new to filming fishing videos. So if you have any suggestions or any ideas, feel free to let me know. Just drop a comment in the comment section. I'm always open to feedback. At the end of the day, all I really want to do is just make the best quality videos, authentic videos that I can. I'm not really about making videos where you're going to see me bag out every session, although that would be nice. That's just not the reality of fishing. as you can see right now. So I just want to share, you know, real authentic content and, you know, just a bit of my thought process when I'm out fishing. I find fishing is really good for your mental health, and that's half the reason why I do it as well. It just helps me clear my mind, gives my brain a rest from all the crap that I put up with during the week. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that. But I don't want to dwell on that too much. Oh, yep, I'm on. Finally. Feels like a good size one too. It's not massive, but at least it's all right. Let's get that sleeper in. Yes. Finally. Come on, I've got to get the driving gear, go forwards. So I'm keeping tension on it at all times because I don't want it to go back under the surface of the water, because then it will fill up its body with water and then it will make itself heavy, and then it'll be a real struggle to lift it up. And I don't want to give it an opportunity to start using its jets and then try and rip itself free from the barbs on my eggy. So if you can see that, looks cool. He's hooked on pretty well, so I'll get some underwater footage for you guys right now. I hope you enjoyed that footage. Oh, it's so good to finally get a squid. First time I've caught a squid at Flinders in a very, very long time, so I'm going to take this for sure. Oh my god, that wind's really picking up. Just get out of this wind. Right, now he's just done his thing. There he is. Not huge by any means, but I'm still happy. First time I've caught a squid down at Flinders in a long time, and the conditions are fairly tough, so yeah, I'm pleased with that. Just hoping I can get that that huge one that I'm after now. Oh, I'm on. Yep. I'm on to another one. Ooh, this is a good one. Yep, that's a good one. Oh, that wind's picked up so bad. Yeah, he's a nice one. Oh no. Almost lost the rod in the drink. Should be able to pick him up. Oh, he's not done with. Oh, that wind sucks. Oh gosh. Where is he? Yes. Similar size to the other one. Nice. Beautiful calamari down here at Flinders. See if we can get another one. Alright everyone, I think it's time for me to head in now. I've been out on the waters for a few hours and the conditions are quite challenging. It's also very uncomfortable fishing from the kayak when it's like this. I managed to break the Flinders squid drought with 2 medium-sized squid, so I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, now I've got to go home, do some chores and plan for tomorrow's next fishing adventure. I want to say once again, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you on the next one. And until then, bye for now.